Law enforcement agencies working together tonight to try to assure the public it is pulling resources across all levels to figure out who killed a woman and her dog in Piedmont Park. Caitlin Ross joins us live from Piedmont Park tonight. Caitlin, what can you tell us about this collaboration now?
Well, it's unusual how many different law enforcement agencies are coming together to say they're trying to find the killer. And it's clear the public pressure is on. I'm standing right outside of Piedmont Park where a growing memorial has signs that say, "We want answers." People want to know what happened here. And law enforcement officials say they're throwing everything they can at this case. They brought in the FBI really early. They brought in the state attorney's office. They have GBI cooperating with them. And they say they're doing everything they can to try and have people be safe around Piedmont Park here. At the news conference today, DA Fani Willis saying you shouldn't be walking in Piedmont Park unless you're in groups of 2s or 3s. Make sure you're on alert, you're paying attention to what's going on around you. That's particularly good advice right ahead of the Dogwood Festival. It's expected to be very crowded this weekend. And she says she knows people who attend and people who live around here are going to be on edge. She says they're getting calls hourly about this, asking if they're investigating it as a hate crime.
Because of the particular community that surrounds the Piedmont property, there have been questions of, is this a hate crime? And it is really too early to answer those calls. But we certainly every law enforcement agency up here are hearing those kind of calls. And we hear the fear in a community that is usually safe.
She says right now they have no leads or no suspects that they're willing to disclose, but she did say some of the rumors floating around on social media could be harmful to the investigation. So while she says she knows there's a lot of anxiety, frustration, worry about this case, she's asking people to stick to the facts.
It's going to be hard to do. Everybody's talking about it. You see it everywhere on social media, that's certainly for sure. The reward for any information leading to an arrest in Katie's death now stands at $20,000. This case has fueled so many rumors online. We have been hearing about that. To hear how police are trying to combat the misinformation, you can look for a story on 11alive.com.